Hey friends, if you encounter Windows has stopped this device, code 43 errors on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. It's not difficult. Here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates in the right pane, let it update, and then you can right click and restart your computer. Once this is sorted, the next solution will be a system restore. So search for system in the search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then open recovery. Click on open system restore. Select a good restore point, but first of all you need to enable system protection. So we'll do that. Click on create a new restore point. You don't have to do it at the time of restoring the computer. You have to do it much earlier to create a restore point to which you can restore later. Okay, now once this is sorted, click on OK, click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.